Okay, guys, this is part 3. This is the last part to the 6 rules. So again, it cut off on me. So I gave you 2 verbs, appeler and jeter. All right, and these are the 2 that I'm giving you that are exceptions to rule number 4. All right, silent E before the infinitive ending. And the reason that it's exceptions is because we treat it a little bit differently. You do not put an accent grave in order to get that eh sound. So, j'enlève, all right, we put the accent grave to get the eh. Over here, what we're going to do for these 2, this type, is we're going to double the consonant. Okay, so let me write it out for you. So for appeler, it has a single L, and when you do the conjugation, j'appelle. All right, that double L is going to give you that same sound, j'appelle. Tu appelles. Il, elle, on appelle. Nous. So now here you have an O and S ending. So it's not a silent E sound at the end, it's the O and S, on. So you're going to keep it as a single L. Nous appelons. And you can hear when you say it, appeleux, all right? Vous, same thing here. Vous appelez, easy. Ils appellent. So now again you get the double L. Okay? Same thing with jeter. So exactly the same rule. So jeter, je as in je, I. Jeter, when you do the conjugation, je jette, je jette. You hear that eh sound because of the double T. Tu jettes, il jette, nous and vous, the ending has a sound, so nous jetons la balle, vous jetez la balle et il jette la balle. Okay, ENT. All right, guys, so that's it for rule number 5. And the last rule that I gave you for the ER verbs, okay, is going to be the verbs that have an accent aigu in the syllable before ER. So, accent aigu in syllable before ER. And so again, nothing you're going to see is going to happen for nous and vous in the present tense, all right? Always focus on the sound. So if you're dealing with the imparfait, it's going to be different. If you're dealing with the conditionnel, it's going to be different. So we're going to use the verb célébrer to show you. Célébrer, célébrer, all right? All of them have the accent aigu sound to celebrate. And here's my conjugation. Je célèbre. I celebrate. Je célèbre. So the accent aigu, we identified it. It's in the syllable before ER. When you do the conjugation, if it has a silent E at the end, change the accent aigu to an accent grave. All right, so we're going to do that for all of them. Tu sais. Now, if you're not sure, do your conjugation. Is this a silent E sound? Yes. So I need to change the direction. Il célèbre. Same thing. Now we go to our second column. Again, if you're not sure, just write it out without an accent. Well, that one needs it, but let's leave it without an accent right now. Okay, this is not a silent E sound. I need to go to the original. Nous célébrons. It doesn't change direction because this one has a sound. Same thing here. Bré. Keep it in the same direction. Vous célébrez. Il ou elle célèbre. Change the direction because I have a silent E sound over here. Okay? Other verbs that are going to have this same pattern. Where are they? Okay, so examples. I'm going to have, oops, no accent, sorry. Espérer. Espérer. Next one. Préférer. Préférer, you have accents all along, just like célébrer. Another one. Protéger. Sorry, préférer is to prefer. Protéger is to protect. And the last one that I will give you is répéter, to repeat. Répéter. Okay, that's the end of our 6 rules.